Let me show you how to remove the eSIM on your iPhone. Now, if you no longer wanted an eSIM or you're removing that number from your phone, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we need to do is check to make sure that you have an eSIM and not a physical SIM card. In newer iPhones, there's no physical SIM card slot here on the side, but if you have an older iPhone, you might have a physical SIM card. So if you have a little pinhole on the side, just check those to see if you have a physical SIM card. If you don't, within the settings, we can go and manage your SIM cards by getting into the cellular section here, and it will show you all of your SIMs. You can see I just have this one by AT&T, and I can go through the process of deleting this eSIM by tapping on the delete eSIM. It says this eSIM will be deleted and your phone number will no longer be associated with this phone. Now, sometimes this doesn't work, or sometimes you have multiple different eSIMs that you need to delete. So if this doesn't work for you or it's causing issues, you can also remove all of those eSIMs by essentially just going through the transfer and reset option. You can see there is an option that says delete all eSIMs here. Now, if I go through that process and enter in the passcode for my phone, it says these eSIMs will be deleted from your phone. Your cell plans will not be canceled. So you need to contact your carrier and make sure you cancel it through them. Again, this just removes it from your iPhone, but you will need to contact AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, whoever you have, and cancel it from there so you won't continue to be billed.